So I wanted to kind of showcase a really easy way of increasing the resolution or even fixing at issues inside of your photo on your Android phone. So let's say you had some photos on your Android phone and you're trying to go through and increase the resolution or just try to make the photos look nicer or whatever the case is. If you're trying to do that, the easiest way to do this is by actually bringing these photos into Google Gemini or ChatGPT and telling those tools to increase the resolution. So what we can do is we can make our way over into Gemini or ChatGPT or whatever tool you have, and you want to go ahead and start off by bringing in that image. So click on the plus button down here, and you can go ahead and choose the photo. In this case, I'll choose it from my gallery, and I'll go ahead and choose this photo that I took a while ago. Now what I can do is I can go and tell Gemini to increase the resolution of this photo. So I can go and type it in right here, increase the resolution, right? And then just kind of send it off and see what it does. Sometimes there'll be some errors, sometimes it'll work, but that is an example of what I can basically do with it. So I can have these tools basically increase the resolution of my photos, and that's basically all you're really going to have to do. So then it's going to give me this prompt of this photo, and this photo will probably have made those types of edits or errors or issues of what we just kind of addressed. So that's basically how to do it. It really is a basic type of process, but that's essentially how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, soul.